Assalamualaikum, I'm Ibn Tariq, have a bachelor degree from BPS University. I'm working as a social media manager in Chile, Palette. Today we will learn the chapter of Step in Math 6. The topic is concept of sets. Every day we use different things in our life like shirt, pant, shoes, oil can, vehicles, bulb, and so on. We eat different things like strawberry, apple, grapes, bananas, tomato. We see different things like plants, flowers, colors, yellow, green, red, blue, and so on. I have an example for you, the set of month. We have 12 months in a year. Names are January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. We collect some month in a group together. It's called a set. The set A is January, February, March, and the set B June, July, August, September. I have a second example, the set of colors blue, red, yellow, pink, orange, green, maroon. The set A is blue, red, yellow, and the set B is pink, orange, green, maroon.